Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into Adobe Acrobat Pro 2025 to master editing text in PDFs. Whether you're a student fixing assignments, a professional updating reports, or just someone tired of rigid documents, this tutorial will make your life easier. Let's jump right in. First, ensure you have Adobe Acrobat Pro 2025 installed. Open the program and load your PDF by going to File, Open. This sets the stage for seamless editing. Now, locate the Edit PDF tool in the main toolbar or Tools panel. It's usually on the right side. Click it to enter editing mode, where your PDF becomes interactive. Once in edit mode, simply click on the text you want to change. A cursor will appear, letting you type, delete, or modify words just like in a word processor. It's that straightforward. But what if your PDF is a scanned image? Don't worry. Head to Tools, Enhance Scans and select OCR, Optical Character Recognition, to convert it into editable text. This step is crucial for older or image-based files. After making your edits, take a quick review. You can adjust formatting like fonts, sizes, or colors using the options that pop up when you select the text. This ensures your document looks professional. Finally, save your work by going to File, Save As. This creates a new version of the PDF, keeping your original intact and avoiding any mishaps. And there you have it. Editing text in Adobe Acrobat Pro 2025 is simple and efficient. Practice on your own files, and if you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.